Eyebrows are so important. They frame your face. They give you expression. They can completely transform your look, making you appear more polished and put together. Well-groomed eyebrows can highlight your eyes and balance your facial features, enhancing your overall appearance. Beautiful eyebrows can make you feel confident. They can boost your self-esteem and make you feel ready to take on the world. Imagine waking up every day with perfect brows that require minimal maintenance, giving you more time to focus on other things. Have you heard of Brazilian eyebrow waxing? This technique is gaining popularity for its precision and long-lasting results. It's a method that can give you those flawless brows you've always dreamed of with minimal effort. It's a popular way to get perfect brows. The process involves using a special type of wax that adheres to the hair, allowing for clean and precise removal. This ensures that your eyebrows have a defined shape and look natural, enhancing your facial symmetry. Let's learn more about it. The esthetician will first assess your face shape and discuss your desired look. Then, they will carefully apply the wax and remove unwanted hair, creating a beautiful arch that complements your features perfectly. This technique can give you the brows of your dreams. Whether you prefer a bold, dramatic look or a soft, natural appearance, Brazilian eyebrow waxing can be customized to suit your style and preferences. It's a great way to enhance your natural beauty. With the right shape and definition, your eyebrows can truly transform your face and highlight your best features, making you feel more confident. Are you ready for amazing brows? Let's dive in and explore the world of Brazilian eyebrow waxing together and see how it can change your look. What exactly is a Brazilian eyebrow wax? This popular beauty treatment has been gaining attention for its effectiveness and precision. It's a hair removal technique that focuses on giving you perfectly shaped eyebrows, enhancing your facial features. It uses warm wax to remove hair from the root, ensuring a clean and smooth finish. The wax is applied to the skin in a careful and controlled manner. It sticks to the hairs, making sure even the finest strands are captured. Then, the wax is removed quickly, pulling the hairs out from the root. This pulls out the hairs effectively, leaving no stubble behind. This method removes even the tiniest hairs, which are often missed by other techniques. It leaves your skin smooth and soft to the touch, enhancing your overall look and confidence. It's a precise way to shape your eyebrows, giving you a polished and well-groomed appearance. Brazilian eyebrow waxing is very popular. But why? People love the results. It gives you a perfect eyebrow shape. The results last a long time. You don't have to wax as often. This saves you time in your beauty routine. It's a convenient way to have amazing brows. What happens during a Brazilian eyebrow wax? Let's break it down step by step so you know exactly what to expect during the process. First, the technician cleans the area thoroughly. This is a crucial step to ensure that the skin is free from any impurities or dirt. They remove any makeup or oils that might be on your skin. This ensures that the wax can adhere properly to the hairs. This helps the wax adhere properly, making the hair removal process more effective and less painful. Next, they apply warm wax to your eyebrows. The warmth of the wax opens up the hair follicles, making it easier to remove the hairs. They use a wooden stick to spread the wax evenly over the hairs that need to be removed. This ensures that every hair is coated properly. Then, they press a strip of cloth onto the wax. The cloth helps to grip the wax and the hairs, making the removal process more efficient. They hold your skin taut to minimize discomfort and ensure that the wax strip can be pulled off cleanly. Then they quickly pull off the strip in one swift motion. This quick action helps to reduce pain and ensures that the hairs are removed effectively. The hairs are removed with the wax, leaving your skin smooth and hair-free. The technician is very precise, carefully shaping your eyebrows to enhance your natural features. They remove only the unwanted hairs. often using tweezers to get any strays that the wax missed. This creates a perfect eyebrow shape that complements your face, leaving you with flawless and beautifully shaped brows. Many people wonder if waxing is painful. Yes, there is some discomfort involved. It feels like a quick, sharp tug. Some people compare it to ripping off a band-aid. The good news is that the pain is very brief. Experienced estheticians know how to minimize discomfort. They use techniques to make it more bearable. Besides beautiful brows, there are other benefits. Brazilian waxing exfoliates the skin. It removes dead skin cells. This makes your skin brighter and smoother. Waxing can also lead to finer hair regrowth. Over time, the hair may grow back thinner. This means you'll need to wax less often. After your wax, it's essential to take care of your skin. Avoid direct sunlight for at least 24 hours. The skin is sensitive after waxing. Sunlight can irritate it. You can apply a soothing product. Aloe vera gel is a great option. It calms the skin and reduces redness. Avoid wearing makeup for a day. This allows your skin to breathe. Brazilian eyebrow waxing is a great way to achieve perfect brows. It's popular, effective, and offers many benefits. It's a small investment with amazing results. If you're looking for a way to enhance your natural beauty, consider giving Brazilian eyebrow waxing a try. You might just be surprised at how much you love your new brows.